Welcome. If you want to lock apps in your OPPO Reno for Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings, then move to the fingerprint, face and the password and tap on the app lock. After that, click to set the password. So I will use very common combination 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Repeat the same combination. Right now we can set up the security question. We can of course change it and custom. After input the answer, you have to click done. And right now we can pick up the apps that you want to lock. So I will go for the Instagram, tap right here. And I don't want to use face recognition or the fingerprint to open the locked apps. So let's go for the Instagram. And as you can see right now, we have to input our password to enter this app. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.